How to set C translation on Facebook app. In order to set up the C translation feature on Facebook, first open up your Facebook application. Now from here, you can just go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right. Then once you've done that, you can just scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Then to head over to your settings menu. And once you land on the settings page, scroll down until you find the preferences tab and head over to language and region. Then here you will see language into which you'd like to have your post translated to. By default, it will be set to English. Now you can change it to any other language you want. So let's say if I just select Spanish and click on save. Now all of the posts will be translated to Spanish. So let's just find a post with a different language caption. Here I found a caption for another language. So if I tap on see more, as you can see, it's another language. And if I tap on see translation, it will translate it to Spanish because that's what we've set to the settings now. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.